Similar to booking cabs on apps like Ola and Uber, farmers can now book drone services through a new app called Bhoomeet. This innovative platform makes it easier than ever for farmers to access drone technology for their agricultural tasks. Developed by Nasik-based software firm Passenger Drone Research Limited or PDRL, Bhoomeet aims to streamline the process of accessing and utilizing drone-based agricultural services. The company claims that drone-based spraying is poised to significantly boost crop yields and create thousands of new jobs.
If we target as a country 10 crore acre spraying in next 3 years, if we achieve that, probably it will create 1 lakh direct jobs of drone pilot and maybe similar number of jobs as indirect jobs, right, for the industry. And as a revenue perspective, we see that it is going to generate the, you can say, the inclusive revenue of around 30,000 crore rupees over the period of time.
As per the company founder, Bhoomeet already has a robust network of over 100 drone service providers ready to join their platform.
Drone service provider perspective, we already have customers as a drone service providers. We already have around 100 plus drone service providers in queue who are ready to onboard, but we are going a little bit slow so that system gets mature and they also get time to establish their entire ERP system. Once they get their system done, then we will go for larger scaling. Yeah. So we can target maybe next 1 year to have services across multiple regions of India.
The application offers a user-friendly platform that allows farmers to easily find and hire drone service providers based on their service records and proximity. The app is also available in multiple Indian languages, making it accessible to farmers across the country.
The app is available in near about 6 to 7 languages, primary languages. Excuse me. So primarily South languages we have covered. We have covered Gujarati, we have covered Punjabi, Hindi, Marathi, and English. So almost like all necessary languages are already onboarded on the platform. And in near future, as we expand in various regions, those primary languages from those regions will be brought onto the platform as well.
Passenger Drone Research Limited, which has launched the application, also specializes in drone data analytics, creating platforms that help users extract valuable information from drone imagery.